Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall talk about a topic morning routine. And today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in lifestyle and you want to learn about it. So let's talk about in detail. Friend, first we talk about a very common problem that I'm sure that many people feel about it, that whenever you wake up in the morning, so you feel tired, you feel unproductive, and you feel distracted. This is a very common problem that we face in the morning. Maybe if you are a younger, maybe you you are less than or younger than 20 years, so maybe you don't agree with me. But if you are older than 30 years or 40 years, so definitely you will agree with me. So many times it happens that we wake up very late, like me that means, for example, 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. And first thing we do in the morning, that we do check the our phone, like we are checking our emails, WhatsApp messages, Instagram messages, etc. Also normally we skip the breakfast as well, and we don't have any mental preparation that what we want to do. So these are the very common problems and very common mistakes which we all do, and due to that reason it becomes a fatigue for us, it becomes a problem for us. So this is a very common problem we all face in the age of above than 35 or 40. So this is a very common problem. Now, what is the solution of this problem? Friend, first of all, there are seven habits or seven things which we must have to do. First thing, we have to wake up at 5 a.m. This is very important. 5 a.m. we must have to wake up. Then we have to do the hydration. Hydration means take some water, then do the exercise, then take shower and dress, then do some mindful exercise, and then journaling, and then take the breakfast. So these are the seven habits. We one by one we shall talk about in detail about these habits. So first thing, wake up at the 5 a.m. So, friend, it's a very common fact that our brain is very active in the early morning. Like it's not active in the late evening or in the in the night timing. Normally, in the whenever we wake up at about 4 5 a.m., there is no distraction, no notifications, no noise. So our mind is full of energy when we wake up, and naturally the timing like about 5 a.m., 6 a.m. So this is our peak time where our mind is fully working. Then give your mind about 2 to 3 hours so that it will be well prepared before you are going to office, you are going to college or school, and it will build self discipline for you as well. Then hydrate immediately. Hydrate immediately means that take a water or drink a water of about 500 milliliter. That means around 2 glasses of water within 5 minutes of waking up. Like whenever you wake up from the bed, just try to take or drink a water about 2 glasses. So what about why you are dehydrated, friend? What happened that when you wake up in the morning, like due to sleeping and sweat through your breath and through your body, you lose about 1 liter of water. So it basically reduce your mind energy, and also the dehydration cause brain fog, fatigue, headaches. All these are the reasons of dehydration. So first thing, drink 500 milliliter or 2 glasses of water in the morning first thing. Then you can add some fresh lemon, because it will deoxidifies the liver, it adds the digestion as well. And other things, like you can also add 1 tablespoon of apple vinegar as well. It will also boost your metabolism. Friend, the hydration benefits as that it basically flush your toxin accumulated overnight, and your metabolism will increase, and also this will helpful for your skin, mood, and joint lubrication as well. Many times, friend, you notice that when we wake up in the morning, our joints are getting pain. Okay, this is there is a lots of pain in the joints. So one of the reason is of the joint pain is the dehydration as well. Then next one is the exercise, basically, or movement of body. First thing, very important, is the cardio. Cardio means like you do some running, cycling, jumping rope. So these are very important, friend. If you do these exercises of cardio, I can tell you that it will lots of improvement come in your life. Then strength building, that means some types of push-ups, squats, pull-ups, some sort of yoga, like means reduce cortisol, increase body awareness and flexibility. Uh, Sort of 20 minutes high intensity burst, that means it will burn fat 24 hours post workout, maximum time efficiency. So friend, you can take any type of exercise, either cardio, either some sort of push-ups. Like 30 minutes of exercise is important in your life, and you must have to add in your daily life. The next one is that, friend, mindfulness. Mindfulness means that you sit quietly, close your eyes, and focus on your breath, and try to focus on something like headspace, calm, and insight timer. It will basically reduce the anxiety from your life. And also, you start with just 5 minutes, not necessary for 30 minutes, just only for 5 minutes. So friend, it will add lots of peacefulness in your life. Then journaling means that, friend, try to write something about like whatever you are grateful for today. For example, you are grateful that for example, you have a job, you are going on to the job and getting the money from there. You are completing your graduation, you are closing or you are completing your school, etc, etc. So whatever things you are trying to write it down on a journal, and like you accomplish, you thankful to yourself. Like for example, I'm disciplined, I'm making progress, I'm healthy. It's a very big gift from God or Allah, that you are healthy, you are basically alive, and you are taking the challenges. So friend, journaling means that you are writing the on the journal, and writing whatever the things, like whatever your targets, whatever your goals, whatever the things you are grateful about it. Then fuel your body and mind, that means take a healthy breakfast, like take eat some eggs, oatmeal, some fruits, nuts, green tea, coffee. Also you can read any good book. It's very important, friend, that you make a friendship with a book. You can also listen or watch a podcast nowadays. Very good podcasts are available on the YouTube. Watch any one educational video, for example 5 to 10 minute video related to any documentary, any skill, any AI related video, etc. And review your goals, like what are the your goals for today, what